Removing an authorized user from an American Express credit card is a straightforward process that can be completed online or by phone. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you do so. First, log into your American Express online account using your username and password. If you have not registered for online access, you can do so by clicking on the Register Now link and following the prompts. Once logged in, click on the Account Summary tab and select the credit card account from which you want to remove the authorized user. Then, click on the Account Management tab and select the Authorized Users option. Next, locate the authorized user you want to remove and click on the Remove button next to their name. Confirm that you want to remove the user by clicking on the Confirm button. Alternatively, you can also remove an authorized user by calling the American Express customer service number on the back of your credit card. Let the representative know that you want to remove an authorized user and provide them with the user's name and any other required information. Before removing an authorized user, make sure to consider the potential impact on your credit score and the user's access to your account. Authorized users have the ability to make purchases and view account information, so it is essential to remove them if you no longer want them to have access to your account. It is also important to note that removing an authorized user does not affect your credit score, but it may affect the user's credit score if they are no longer listed as an authorized user on your account. In addition, American Express may request documentation to verify the removal of an authorized user, such as a written request or a phone call from the primary account holder. To avoid any potential issues, make sure to review your account information and confirm that the authorized user has been removed. You can do this by logging in to your online account or by contacting American Express customer service. By following these steps, you can easily remove an authorized user from your American Express credit card and maintain control over your account. Remember to always monitor your account activity and adjust your authorized users as needed to ensure the security and integrity of your account.